Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wi-Fi with your Gree AC. First, download the Gree Plus app from your App Store. Make sure your Gree AC unit is powered on. Connect your smartphone to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Then, find the Wi-Fi button on your AC remote or the unit itself to begin the setup process. This initial step is crucial for a smooth connection. Once the app is installed, open it and create your account. Next, select Add Device and choose your Gree AC model from the list. The app will then guide you through putting your AC into pairing mode, often by pressing the Wi-Fi button for a few seconds. Confirm the successful connection within the app, and you're halfway there. With your AC connected, you can now control it remotely. Easily adjust the temperature from 17 to 30 degrees Celsius, or switch between modes like cool, heat, fan, or dry. You can also set the fan speed to low, medium, high, or automatic. Plus, schedule specific on and off times to save energy and ensure comfort. Beyond basic controls, explore advanced features like sleep mode for quiet operation. You can also access energy consumption reports to understand your usage better. Remember to check for firmware updates within the app to ensure optimal performance. If you encounter connection issues, try restarting your Wi-Fi router and your AC unit. This often resolves common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.